Daredevil. I'm going to send this in, win $10,000 on the video. World's funniest video. Here we are, further down the Temperance River. This is what I would call Root Beer Falls. You see the color of that water? I guess there's so much mineral in the water. It's the color of root beer. Black water. Heard that song? Wild country. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Here we are down at the Temperance River Gorge. The word awesome comes to mind. I feel like the Hamm's Beer Bear. Be careful. I gotta watch my step. As you can see, these rocks are very slippery. It's been raining, but the babbling brook is awesome. The Temperance River. You've seen it from up above. Here it is, at ground level. I'm on the shoreline. Trout fishing in America. This makes it all worthwhile. I don't know where the trail crosses, but I get that around here close. But probably up there where those big rocks are. I wonder if this has a zoom on it. Anyway, this is for you, Travis. Good job, man. Thanks for bringing me. Love it. This is the Temperance River section. Looks pretty awesome. Travis is going to be climbing that valley there. I hope to get down by the riverbank myself. This is the Temperance River crossing. Part of the Superior Trail 50-mile race. September 12th, 2009.